Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Moon Trading Forecast, and we start today again the live broadcast on Telegram and YouTube. I make this video because we have from many days many members they have problem with the exchange, because in many countries that exchange is not available. So I search for the another exchange what is more extended on web, and every user in my group can use that exchange. So when I asked many, I have sent many exchange requests to do a special offer for my users, and the exchange what I bring you today is, normally we work with BingX here at this one. BingX is at the 42 position on the coin market cap, because that's a website where you can check how much volume, trading volume, and how much score it have an our exchange. For example, here we have the number one Binance, then Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, and the exchange what I was affiliate till now, and I am still now affiliate with the BingX, because it's very good exchange. But in many countries they are not available, and I have a request from many users that I have to bring another one, and now I am affiliate with LBank. See, this exchange has a very good score. You can see here, uh, coin market cap give ranks to exchange based on web traffic factor, average liquidity, volume, as well as the confidence that the volume reported by an exchange is legitimate. And this exchange had 6.1, very good rate score at on the on coin market cap. Like you can see, many famous account exchange are under this rank. For example, we are near Gemini, we are near Huobi and BitGet. After BitGet, just two position we are down, and Upbit, P2B, XT, Bitmart, and many exchange are under that ranking. Polynex, and this is a very good exchange. And the best thing is they have replied me, and they send me the special offer for my members, Moon Trading Forecast. They give me a special offer for all the user. uh, First of all, we can see the license. They have a license in Italy, then in Canada. Yeah, they are approved from America, and very good license they have to operate in whole world. The exchange is based in Hong Kong. You can see here. The exchange is founded in 2015, and they supports 50 plus fiat currencies. You can see here Indian rupees, rupee, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. They accept Google Play, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, bank transfer, and this is the address you can see in Indonesia. In Indonesia, Canada, USA, you can find here the addresses. Then you see, with the trading platform with the license of NFA, MSB, Canada, MSB, LBank exchange provided global user with a secure, professional, and convenient products. They operate with cryptocurrency trading, derivatives, staking, NFT, and they have also their LBK Labs investment there, where they have the courses and many things. Then what we have in this what is the power points of that exchange is the low trading fees, strong security, good liquidity. Good liquidity is when exchange have a less liquidity, then you have a problem to close and open the trades. You don't find the um, good prices to close and open the trades. And when a exchange have a good liquidity, then this problem is solved, because you can close and open every time, anytime, with a good price your trades, and you can open too. And they have currently, their headquarters is in Hong Kong, and they are currently 5 million user registered and support over 600 trading pairs. They um they have the they have many offers a variety of features, including spot trading, margin trading, future trading, and ETF trading. It also offers a variety of other services such as staking, lending, and airdrops. So I think the exchange is very, very good. And you see the platform of that exchange is the same one, like Binance, like KuCoin. You find the same user friendly platform is. Then you see here, um, you can check here your wallet, orders, spot order, future orders. You can see the market, your market. See, you can see in same, you have a same view, the chart here, the trading chart here. Here is the coins. You can open, sell in spot trading. Then you can open, if you see the future trading, see, in future trading you have also the same platform with 50x, till 125x you can use the leverage. Then I see here they have ETF. What means the ETF? If you don't if you have a problem to open the trades with the future, if you have problem to operate future trading, then you can open here. Here the you can choose, you can search the coin. For example, I can choose ing. You find on the spot trading, then you find ing 3x short and ing 3x long. So just you can buy here. You cannot liquidate what you invest, but here is a compounding. You have to inform about that. It's a bit easy to trade for the new users, though they don't know the future trading. So the exchange is complete. They have many good offers, and they have many things to um, they have many good offers. And what they give us to our group, uh, let's see, here is just a second. uh, Copy this to, what they give us a special promotion for my members. Here is all the detail I share in the group with all other that information what they give us. If you deposit 100 USDT or more, you receive 20 USDT future bonus. That means you can leave your 100 USDT in your account, and you can trade just with 20 USDT bonus. Net deposit must be here is the conditions, in which condition you can use that offer. Then If you deposit 300, you find 100 USDT future bonus. And if you deposit 600, you have to just keep your 600 in account, and you can use 200 USDT bonus for trading. So here you can trade on future session with the 20x, 30x with this bonus. So they give us very good bonuses with a, and here is another one. With a net deposit of 50 USDT, less than 50 on the previous day, you receive a future bonus equivalent to 10% of the previous day net. And there is net deposit on the second day. Each user can receive up to 3000 USDT future trading bonus. And that future trading bonus you can use for future trading and use our charts and all our our signals to do the trading, to do the trading with these bonuses. Just a second, I open again. So here is the exchange. The exchange is very complete, and I think you like that exchange. And they have many channels too: Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. On YouTube you find about 50 videos where you can learn the future trading, margin trading. And they have the application or at Google Play, App Store, like same like in Binance or KuCoin. They're very valid exchanges. And they here are the sponsor of where they have the publicity already on Bitcoin, Tuonio, and all. They are very good for customer care service. Here are the links and contacts too. They have a contacts. We have many support centers, you see here. You can contact them, and they are very good to reply. I read the reviews on that exchange, and I think it's very good. So guys, I send you a link in my Telegram channel. Follow it. Please to use all of offers what I said you before. You have to use our group, Telegram group referral link, because without that you cannot you can't have that bonuses. They send us just the offer just for my group. And how I say before, if you want to if you want to receive all that bonuses, then you have to use our referral link from our group, Moon Trading Forecast. And if you have any question, then you can ask me in Telegram group. I try to reply as soon as possible. And if you like, or you have some issue, you can write here under the video, or you can come to our Telegram channel. We can discuss there. And if we have any problem with exchange, I can ask them, and we can solve the problem. But I think is a complete exchange. I'm pretty sure that you enjoy the trading with this exchange. So that was the supporting video, and the link and the all condition I send in my Telegram group. So if you like the video, please share, comment, and like this video. Click the black bell icon to receive all my updates and my technical analysis. And come and join our Telegram channel, where we do every day a lot of analysis, and we have many signals, valid signals, because we don't give the signal in without any without an analysis. We use every time we use analysis. I do it personally, and many of our members, they send the analysis in Telegram group. I hope, and you can see our results too. So take care, and till next video, Allah Hafiz.